Datera delivers high-performance data orchestration and advanced automation to large enterprises and cloud service providers, reducing storage management and infrastructure costs by as much as 70%.
I was originally going to title this one Database as a Service. Instead, we're going to call it Database Acceleration. Most of our customers at Datera are returning from their attempts to move their database to a cloud service provider who offers database as a service. They felt that performance, cost, security, and flexibility would be better in the cloud. They actually find it lacking. So to meet database as a service customers' expectations, there are several attributes that the underlying storage system must have. Datera accelerates those database workloads. The cloud may not. As you can see here, there's been massive growth in the database as a service market. We've gone from about 4 billion to 19 billion in 5 years. We think a lot of those customers are going to be coming back. That's a compound annual growth rate of 46%. Database as a Service offers all the benefits of the as-a-service philosophy. It enables users to provision, manage, consume, configure, operate database software instantaneously, on demand, pay for only what they use, and as they use it. The goals are the end of hardware upgrades and to shift the maintenance tasks off to the provider. You can do that with Datera. But let's go in and see how hard that can be, or how easy that can be to deliver with Datera. Customers of Database as a Service have likely done their research at all the large public cloud providers, including AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, all of them. As a result, there's a minimum set of functionalities that they all expect to see. And as it turns out, the storage system will play a vital role in providing a database as a service that meets or exceeds, and hopefully exceeds, your customers' expectations. I'm going to explain a little bit about how a storage system plays that critical role. So, database on demand. Legacy SAN and NAS storage systems are designed to be operated by humans who create and maintain volumes manually. This method is way too labor intensive. We need self-service. You need a REST API. Datera creates volumes instantly with secure multi-tenancy through this REST API. Performance tiers, or QoS. Customers may want their databases provisioned on a tier with QoS, maybe platinum, gold, silver, bronze. This puts some pressure on legacy storage systems to utilize multiple storage device types, not with Datera. We need to be able to deliver volumes with QoS for low latency, or any point in between, maybe low cost as well. Per volume services. Not all databases need to be encrypted, but many do. Each database can have encryption, deduplication, compression, all set individually. You can turn them on or off. Later, you can make decisions about which services can be changed by just instructing the storage system very transparently to the database service. Cost control. Sometimes you just want to move volumes between tiers with no downtime. This saves money, and you can either move to faster or slower. Ingress and egress. Users expect to be able to use the S3 object format for import, export, backups. Rather than having to implement that separately, Datera includes S3 object. So for database as a service, you have to ensure that your storage system is playing its part to support some of those key capabilities. Performance guarantees. As you scale, You need QoS. The storage system must be able to use multiple storage devices to hit those various performance tiers cost effectively. You need the latest tech. You want a 100% software solution for your storage to avoid any hardware vendor lock-in. You want things like Optane when they are available. To operate in a modern data center, you also need high availability. The software-defined data center, the storage system must support fault domains, L3 networking, and also the ability to back up and restore, do DR, and have a tunable number of replicas. You get 1 to 5 with Datera. Security. The database storage system must provide multi-tenancy, traffic isolation, anomaly detection, and Datera does. Finally, the standard iSCSI protocol. You've got to insist that your storage system utilizes iSCSI, and that's going to ensure compatibility with all of your clients. It could be bare metal, Linux, Windows, VMs, popular hypervisors. This avoids vendor lock-in as well. So standards are absolutely key. So there's just no way around it. Database as a service has a really compelling value and performance prop for organizations who value sub-millisecond latency, maybe as low as 107 microseconds with all Optane nodes, very rapid use of that technology, very rapid provisioning, very data center aware. So Datera's built-in machine learning as well also helps you with your data placements. So you get data automation, predictive operations. If you're ready to achieve this level of high performance and continuous availability using commodity hardware, and you want to reduce your storage infrastructure's TCO by about 70%, just contact us at Datera and we'll schedule a free consultation for you. Thank you.
Learn more about how Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage at datera.io and contact Datera for a free consultation.